Part of me really just wants to not, but part of me actually does want to. So we're doing it, I guess. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing part 3 of the declutter, which is this shelf that I promised like 2 videos ago, or yeah, about, well, I promised it like 2 weeks ago. I've been kind of putting this off because this is kind of a hard shelf for me to do. The top shelf is going to be interesting because that's all of my old little alien figurines. If you're an OG and you know, like 10 years ago, literally for my birthday, my mom got me an alien baby, but like a collectible one, because I was really into aliens and ghosts and all that kind of, mostly aliens and UFOs. I still kind of am, but very like sparingly now. If you know, you know. I actually have 2 big ones. I have a whole bunch of little tiny baby ones. I have like a flying saucer that goes with it. It's all just in my closet. So I'm thinking about maybe putting it all downstairs. So that's for another day. But for now, this is what we're working with. So with that being said, let's just get into it. And yes, my hair is wet. I showered. We are just full chill vibes. They're all of my hooded sweatshirts, and I love sweatshirts. Clearly, as we went through these already, they make me happy. Being a bigger woman, a bigger girl growing up, they were an opportunity for me to hide my insecurities. So there's that. We have my white champion that's staying. I wear that one a lot. Then this is, oh, is this my other one? Yes. This is also my black champion one I got from, I'm keeping this one. I wear this one all the time. As with my 7 rings shirt, as with the 7 rings hoodie, my only complaint is that the sleeves are very small. That's my only complaint. But I love her, so I am going to keep Ariana. I love you, girl. Like, I just love this era of her. I don't know. And everyone has always said, and she said it's like her worst, but I vibe with it. I'm sorry. From my old Etsy line, same with my little alien, watermelon alien you guys saw. 7-Eleven, and it's a little messed up of a 7-Eleven, but if I should bring these back, let me know. 7-Eleven, I have it tattooed on me. Literally means your mind is your reality, basically. Like, what you think is what's going to happen, or like is the mindset you're going to have, basically. So if you think negative things will happen, etc. And that was a big thing for me when I switched from daycare to being paraprofessional. College hoodie. She is so old, man. I need to wear this more. I can't get rid of this. This is like my college hoodie. This is what I mean. This is the problem. Do you see why I'm having a problem right now? Because this is the problem. This is just a big giant problem for me. I also don't wear my 7-Eleven hoodie. It's just kind of hanging out in here. That's a maybe. Because I also have my Goodwin jacket that I wear all the time. Maybe we will part ways. Okay, moving on. I have 2 Lance 210 hoodies that I love. I love Lance. These are from like back in the day, if you know, you know. And I do wear these. So we're going to keep you for now. They like get so much. Can you see? Maybe not. I can see. There's like so much fuzz on it. This is a volume 3. Love White Fox. Wish it had a, I wish this one had a, I can't think. I wish it had a pocket in the front. I might get rid of this actually. Okay, this is a sweatshirt that my husband got for free that I got to keep from, my husband does HVAC for a living. So this is from FW Web. If you know, you know. Hartford, Connecticut on the side, flag on the side. I love this. It's just a nice comfy hoodie, so I am keeping this for me. I do really like the color too, shockingly enough, even though it's like a color of. And then we have, I think this is my Skims one. Yep, this is my oversized Skim hoodie. Keeping this. This is a gray hoodie. Never go wrong with that. I'm keeping this one too. Fuzzy hoodies. I love these. I've always loved these. I used to have like a few of them and then I stopped wearing them. I love these and I'm keeping it. Maybe I should put it over here with the warm ones. We're gonna do that. I'm gonna put that over there after. Highland Lake, Maine hoodie. Oh no, Long Lake, Maine. Oh, we need to wear it again. We need to wear it. I'm gonna put it like right there. I don't know. I'm like undecided right now. Miley Skeppy being tired is not an excuse to be ugly hoodie. Love, I'm keeping. This one is probably another one I haven't worn in a minute. This is the black one. Oh no, this is my black garage one. Yes, this is my black one. We're gonna keep this one, get rid of the White Fox one, because I don't wear that one enough, clearly. I like to separate them maybe by colors and then sayings, because sometimes I want one that has a graphic and sometimes I don't, you know. This one is new, you know, and it has a stain of paint on it because I chose to wear it to my son's. Yeah, it has a stain of paint. Well, I have a whole outfit of my son's that has freaking paint stained all over it from when we went to Christmas Wonder Lab, so that was my own fault, but that's fine. I can keep that one. I like that one. I kind of wish I got it in a smaller size. It's just really big. I don't know. Another Lance 210 hoodie. This is like my maroon one. I like to wear this in the I love the maroon color. Mostly is the reason why I'm keeping it, to be honest with you. The graphic is not that great though. It's already gotten like stinky and I bought it like last year, but what can you do? By the way, since I filmed my other declutter of this area, this is my next purse sneak peek. This is February's purse. My other white fox hoodie, I'm keeping this one because I love this gray. And this one does have a pocket in the front. I don't know what it is, but sometimes when they don't have a pocket, I'm like, what the frick is going on here? And I have this one I got in a smaller size. This pink one I love. I just got this like a while ago. Oh, here's my other Leo Skeppy one. This one's really heavy, which I love. On the side it says, you must have me confused with someone who trusts people. And I love the back of it. All the people that are like believe in God or Christians or hardcore, you're gonna get mad at this, but I love it. I freaking love it so much. So obviously I'm keeping. This is really nice quality. Leo, you did your dude. You did your and I love it. It is my comfort hoodie that I got a while ago. I think this is mostly all gonna be keeps. I'm sorry. Garage hoodie. I don't really like this, so this one is actually gonna go. I don't know why I bought this one, because I was like, oh my god, the pink color last year, it's so pretty. And then I'm looking at it like, no. Lifeguard Miss Squamicut hoodie, we're keeping her. Okay, moving on to all my boots. So spoiler alert, I'm pretty much keeping all of them. They're staying. I think I am gonna get rid of a couple of these over here because I bought these last year to wear out and I'm just not that girl. So these shoes are gonna go. They disappoint me. These boots I have not worn, and to be honest, I kind of prefer to wear like one of these pairs over these little ankle boots. So these are also gonna go. Low-key kind of makes me sad. I think I also tried to wear these to work one time and I was like, never again, this sucks. Tory Burches that I wear in the summertime. These have been busted forever. I literally broke while wearing in Mohegan and I glued them down, and no, we're gonna just, no. It's not happening. Shoes, I'm just honestly not ready to go through. Onto the side that I don't want to do. Oh man. I mean, there are some things I look at now and I'm like, yes. And then there's some things I'm like, And then there's some things I'm like, no. All right, first we have my pumpkin purse. Love using her for Halloween, so she is staying. Like a knockoff, like the messenger baggy kind of look. I do like that for like trips and stuff. Maine, that's like a perfect purse. Juicy bag I did use when I went out with my friends, but I think part ways with her because I don't use her enough, and she's just mostly like this kind of a bag. I don't know. This little Juicy bag I'm keeping because she's like perfect for going out. This I feel like is more of like an inconvenience, so I think I might part ways with her. This also same thing. This used to have a strap that I took off, and I really, oh my god, there's stuff in here. I really liked the vibe of her, but I don't use it like at all. So we're gonna take the stuff out of here. I think move on. This I used when I went to Halsey, and I think I'm done with that, to be honest. This Juicy bag I love so much, but I feel like it's kind of impractical. I'm going to give myself a chance to use this. Maybe when I go to Mohegan. Not Mohegan. Maybe when I go like on another like trip sort of vibe again. Because I love how like it actually fits me. I haven't reached for it is the problem. So I guess I'll give you one more chance. My little Louis backpack. I did fix the strap so it's not like a backpack, because as a backpack it really kills my arm. So as a messenger bag, yes. I still have not let go from my little era. If you know, you know. My beige little bag era. This is just convenient. Have I reached for her? No. Do I want to? Possibly. So I think I'm still gonna keep this. Then this is not supposed to be in here, but I didn't really have any other choice. So this is one of my very beautiful Louis bags that I'm keeping. This is like a springy bag for me. I remember I used this when we went to Mohegan last year. I love this bag actually. Makeup bag that's staying. This cute little bag, this is staying, so too bad. This though, this is part of like a bag organizer. No, plain pouch. It's Tylenol. It has some Tylenol, but we can say goodbye. And the Tylenol. Little bag. The little bags can go over here. This is also a makeup bag. Next up is pretty much all my makeup bags. Oh my god, look at the plethora of Louis monogram print. I love it. It's like the dream closet I never had, because I always loved Louis and I always wanted Louis, and now I do, and I didn't, you know, my new baby. I gotta find a space for her. I actually really do love this bag. I used this when I went out this past weekend, and it was so nice and big and convenient. Now we are moving into, I think this is all like Oh, this is summery stuff. So this is all like my summer things. As we know, if you've been here, it has like a koozie in here, sunscreen, lip balm, the baby oil sunscreen I love. So this is my summer bag when I tan, when I go to the pool, that sort of thing. Heating pad. Hopefully she stays up there for a while. My packing packs. I can probably move those here. Okay, this. Oh God, everything's gonna fall down, isn't it? Don't fall, please. Please. This is my bag of stuff from traveling, aka Maine. So I'm gonna actually put these little Every Jewels jewelry things in here. We'll see where we're at when we do a pack with me this year. I'm not saying anything, but if I did already say it in the vlog, I'm not, then you already know. But I'm planning a nice little getaway with my husband for like a night, so I'm excited for that. I have a little first aid bag. I feel like I could put this stuff in a different bag. It's just literally got like Tylenol, Band-Aids, a first aid kit, cough drops for trips, but I would like to put this in a different bag, so I'm gonna keep that out actually. Laundry bag for travel. Maybe let's not, I don't know. My little Hello Kitty coin purse. My best friend brought this back for me from Japan. Kylie will keep, Hello Kitty will keep. This I don't really know the point of, so I'm gonna get rid of that. Where's the get rid of pile? Right there. This little Hello Kitty pouch, I don't really like it. That's fine, that's fine, that's fine. Haven't used that yet, want to. That one's fine, that's fine. It's old, that's fine. These, I don't think I need all these. I don't really want these. I'm also getting rid of a few gate bags, if you know, you know. So that will be a thing. I'm keeping all these for now. And last but not least that's in here is a warmie that I still have not used that my best friend got me a few years ago. You literally put it in the microwave and it's good for like if you have your period, back pain, which I have a lot. So I definitely need to use this more. Like Brian also has one and we have not used them. So that's on the list of things. Put everything back and see how we did. In conclusion, today our pile is not that big, but I feel good about everything. This is what we're looking like now with my hoodies, a little tiny bit of corner space, and then shoes, and then all the bags. So that is where we're at with all this. Don't think I'm going to be doing another purse declutter right now because I just got rid of some, or I'm in the process. So all that's still fine. Are my leggings and my workout clothes, but I feel like I kind of already went through those too. So this will be it for the closet for now. Oh wait, no, I lied to you. Let's get down to this level because at least one pair of shoes that I would like to get rid of, which are these. These are like knockoff, like the Dior or Prada ones that were out years ago. I think I've maybe worn these twice and they just need to go because I don't reach for them. This also might be shocking, but I'm going to be getting rid of all of my flats. I used to be like obsessed and I repurchased these on purpose and everything. These were Mossimo brand. These are Mossimo brand. They are old, they're ancient. I stopped wearing them to work. Like it's not a thing. So these are also going. I am very proud of this progress. It's a small little pile, but cleared a lot out and I'm very happy with that because I feel like it's been needed for a minute now. That's it for my closet portion of decluttering. If I have anything else, obviously we will come back in here for another episode, but next we'll be moving on to other parts of the house and I will have one dedicated to my husband's things. I know he's not going to know about it because he just hoards a lot of junk and doesn't use it and just lets it sit in one spot and I'm tired of it. I love you guys so much. Hope you have an awesome day. Subscribe if you want to see more of me. Like this video if you enjoyed. Turn on bell post notifications so when I post a new video. I'm tired now. Okay. That wasn't even a lot, but it was a lot for me. So I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.